Hey Adam here with a simple and fast review of the Raybee clothes rack. We're going to open it up, put it together, test it out, and of course let you know whether or not it's worth buying. All right, so once you get it all out of the box, obviously you'll have your instructions, some details, lower pole, upper pole, your wheels, all the different attachments, an ability to mount this on the wall, and of course some more poles and racks. So we're going to go ahead and put it all together. So I want to show this kind of the way I set it up, intentionally not at the top, because I do have lower ceilings and I want to be able to put something up here. As you can tell, I could still go a little bit higher if needed. I also only hung one of the two racks so far, just because I want to show that, again, you can kind of adjust this and hang them however you want. These go on really easily, and they can literally just pop off if needed, and just kind of just drop right on and then tighten very simply on. And obviously what you'll do is just hang some clothes on there, which would make it very, very easy, and then nice little lower rack. Now the secondary thing I did not do is I did not install the wheels, because I don't I'm going to make this a stationary thing, and I do not want to be moving this around. I'm going to just kind of put it into my basement and keep it where it is. I will not be dragging it and moving it in any way, shape, or form. However, if I did want to do that, I have the wheels. I also have, this is going to be the secondary pieces to the other pole, but I do have some extra clips. When you're trying to adjust these, sometimes you may break them or whatever, and it does come with extra parts. So super easy installation. I'm probably just fast forwarding right through the install that I put together with. This thing is awesome for me. I love these. I have a number of these types of racks in my house, so great value. Hopefully this review helps, and thanks for watching.